Welcome to Concord Marine Electronics. Today, let's talk about why Starlink installation is a must for luxury yachts. In today's world, high-speed internet at sea is no longer a luxury, it's essential. Captains, crew, and guests alike rely on fast, reliable internet to stay connected, whether it's for navigation, communication, or entertainment. And with Starlink Maritime, that's exactly what you get. Starlink's revolutionary system uses a network of low Earth orbit satellites from SpaceX to deliver incredible internet speeds, anywhere between 50 and 220 megabits per second, even in the most remote parts of the ocean. With low latency, it's perfect for video calls, streaming, and real-time communication, keeping your yacht connected no matter where your journey takes you. At Concord Marine Electronics, we are leaders in Starlink installation. With over 100 systems already installed, our experienced team ensures a smooth, hassle-free setup. We protect your system from harsh marine conditions, optimize it for performance, and seamlessly integrate it with your yacht's existing marine electronics, making sure everything runs smoothly. Whether you're navigating the Caribbean or crossing the Atlantic, you can trust Concord Marine Electronics to keep you connected with the best marine internet solution available today. For professional Starlink installation on your yacht, reach out to us at Concord Marine Electronics and discover why we are the trusted name in marine technology. Stay connected wherever your journey takes you.